Can't sign into or create an HP app account on a Chromebook or Android device running Chrome or the Huawei browser. If you can't sign into your HP app account from either the Google Chrome or Huawei browser, follow these steps to fix the issue. The common solution for this issue is to make sure the browser and the HP app are up to date, and then manually open the browser within the HP app. First, restart your Android device or Chromebook, and make sure it's connected to the internet. Next, check the App Store for an update. For Android devices using the Chrome browser, search for Chrome in the Google Play Store, and then select the Update option, if available. For Chromebooks, search for the HP app in the Google Play Store, and then update the app to the newest version. For mobile devices with the Huawei browser, continue with these steps. Open the HP app, and then tap Sign In. Tap the menu icon in the top right, and then tap either Open in Chrome or Open in Browser. Sign into or create an account. If you can sign in, the issue is fixed and you are done troubleshooting. If you get a "something went wrong" or "account already exists" message after creating an account, close and then reopen the app. Select Sign In, and then enter your credentials. If you still receive a message or were not able to sign into or create an account at all, continue with these steps. Install the Firefox app from your App Store. Then, change the default browser to Firefox. In Android, open the Settings app and search for and open the Default Apps or Default Browser menu. Select Firefox in the list. Open the HP app, and then sign into or create an account. After the printer setup is complete and you can sign in, you can change the default browser back to your preferred web browser.